Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through the most important Facto door lock programming instructions. So before first of all programming the lock, it's very important for you to understand the difference between the codes. So the programming code is used to access the lock settings, while the user code is only to lock or unlock the door. So in most of the Facto locks, the default programming code would be 0000 and the default user code is 1234. So it's a good idea for you to change both after the installation. Now, in order to access any of the programming feature, you need to first of all start entering your programming code. So let's say I have entered my programming code over here. So after entering the programming code, you just have to simply enter or simply press this particular Facto button. So after doing so, once the programming code that you have entered is accepted, the lock is going to enter into the programming mode and you need to wait for the function number, and this way the keypad indicator will typically flash to show that it is now ready. Now first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply start adding the new user. So in order to add the new user, what you need to do is you need to simply first of all press or enter your programming code. Afterwards, you need to press the Facto button on top of your keypad. Then you need to press 1 and then you need to press the Facto button again. Afterwards, you need to start entering the new user code, and then in order to save this particular code, you need to simply press the Facto button. So this is the process of basically adding the new user. Now here, if you want to delete the user, you just have to simply first of all enter your programming code. Afterwards, you need to press the Facto button. So once you have pressed the Facto button for deleting the user code, this time on the keypad you need to press 2. After doing so, you need to simply just start entering that particular user code that you want to delete. So you need to simply press the user code that you want to delete. Afterwards, in order to save the changes, you need to simply press the Facto button. So this way you will be able to basically delete any of the user codes. Now, if you want to change any of the user codes, what you need to do is you need to simply press the program code. Afterwards, you just have to simply press the Facto button. Then this time, in order to change the programming code, you need to simply press 4. Afterwards, again, you need to press the Facto button. Then you need to simply enter your new programming code that you want to set. And in order to save it, you need to again press the Facto button. So then choose a code that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. So once you have either added the user code or deleted the user code, or whether you have basically changed the programming code, make sure that you test any of the changes that you made and verify that the new codes are working correctly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.